Nick, and I wrote down 1,555 letters. Just kidding. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 words. So the opera nouns is cute, cuter, cutest, big, bigger, biggest, magnificent, very magnificent, super magnificent, good, better, best, bad, worst, and worst. And what are we talking about? Why did I just start talking without telling you the title of what we're talking about? Well, we're talking about comparative, superlative. So comparative and superlative basically means, well, if something is comparative, you see that I have a cuter, but I also have a cute, right? Which means cuter is the comparative and cutest is a superlative. Same with big. General word, then comparative, and then superlative, and magnificent. Now, what did I just say here? Why do I have 2 words? So it's because magnificent, if you spell it out as a syllable, is magnificent. 4 syllables, right? So when you have 4 syllables, you can't just say magnificenter, magnificence, because you have to add the very, because it's already too long. You can't be like, you know, the longest word in the whole wide world. So you have to add the very and the super. Now, I have another question here. Why did bigger and biggest, why do they have this double G? Well, it's because, why does this guy just have an E and then you add an R and then an ST? Well, that's grammatical anyways. Now you have a good, better, best, and even bad, worse, and worst. So now we gotta get things really figured out. So in good and better and best, it looks like they're not like the same as these guys. These guys are just cute, cuter, cutest, big, bigger, biggest, and then you add a very and super. But this one just doesn't add anything, doesn't add the ERES or double the, stuff like that. So what happened to this one? What even this one? Well, it's because that's the only thing scientists know is that it's grammatical. But let's just focus on these 3, okay, for today. So, what I have a question here is that, do you guys even know why very and super just got added to magnificent and magnificent? Well, for a reason is that it doesn't really have to be like magnificent or magnificent. Because for big and cute, they're like short words. Cute, big, they're 1 syllable. So, but something else I didn't mention on big was that it hasn't this I over here, right? It has an I over here. So when there's any kind of, when there's 3 words in all, and there's a vowel in the middle, and after the vowel there's the consonant, you have to double that consonant and add the ER and ES. But for this one, you see, you have the U, but you have 4 letters. And by the way, you have 4 letters, but you have 2 vowels. So it's like consonant, vowel, right? C, consonant, U, vowel, T, consonant, and E is vowel. Now, the basic thing we're going to talk about is that why do we just add an R and ST? Isn't it supposed to be like you double that T and then you add EST or ER? So this is kind of confusing because we already have an E. double the E and add, like, no. Like, if we already have the E over here, why don't, most people just think they should add an ER, another E and then add an R. And then E and ST, like that. But it doesn't make any sense because it already has an E. You just add STR. Perfect. You don't even have to write an E. So basically, you got it already. So bye.